Hi, I am Aqil. In this beginning part of the video, I would like to simply describe a little bit about our chosen stock, which is Petronm Malaysia. Okay, Petronm Corporation entered Malaysia industry in March 2012 when this company acquired Exxon Mobil's downstream. Okay, Petronm Malaysia, which is the part of the Petronm in Philippines, were formed on 2nd April, and ESO Malaysia Berhad was renamed Petronm Malaysia in refining and marketing in July 2012. Okay, Petronm Malaysia produce petroleum products, and based on our research on Bursa Marketplace, this corporation has many competitors, and their closest are Bumi Armada, Endra Group, Hibiscus Petroleum, and many more. Basically, this is all I can say for now, and I would like to pass to my friend next to explain more in details about this Petronm Malaysia stock for existing and potential traders out there.
My name is Khairul Zhafri, and I will be presenting the comparative analysis for Petronm. From July 2020 to November 2020, Petronm performed worse than FBMK LCI with a low point of negative 24.7% compared to FBMK LCI's above 0% for most of that time. Petronm's performance increased significantly from November 9, 2020 to December 7, 2020, reaching a high point of 51.5%. This is because Malaysia's MCO was loosened up during that time. And then Petronm continues to outperform FBMK LCI from early December 2020 till the end of June 2021, even though their performance faced a downward trend for most of the time.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nawaal Annuhaa Binti Muhammad Hanif, and I am from BA1144A. So I will be continuing with trend analysis. So Petronm in general has more downtrends than uptrends. From the beginning, an intermediate downtrend is seen up until the 9th of November when stocks were oversold. Soon after, a clear trend reversal was spotted and stocks became bullish. Petronm had a total shareholder return of 94% for the last year, which resulted in a big dividend payment as of 2020. The uptrend continued until the stocks were overbought, which caused the trend to move downwards. The reason behind this was mainly due to MCO being implemented, which means less consumers. The trend continued to move in downtrends, and an intermediate sideways trend was seen around April. However, the stock still remains within the normal trading range, and no major trend reversals are seen up until the 4th of June 2021.
My name is Faizatul and I will explain about price pattern. There are three types of price pattern that we can see. The first one is double top reversal pattern. In a double top pattern, the price hits a support or resistance level twice before turning around and moving in the other direction. As we can see in Petronm price chart, the price hit RM5.25 two times before it break out on RM5.14. Second pattern is continuation pattern, which is a flag pattern. Flag patterns often evolve over a shorter period time. The price projection for flag pattern is the price at which the currency pair is expected to increase after breaking out of the flag formation. And the last pattern is runaway gap, which usually represent traders who did not gain during initial move or the uptrend. The chart show an uptrend can have runaway gaps caused by significant event that cause new interest in the stocks. Therefore, the volume has been increased during and after runaway gap to change of the past.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Affif Iman from BA1144A. So I will continue this presentation by explain technical overlay. So for this analysis, we use a simple moving average line, which is single SMA 15 days and 100 days. And we also use double SMA, as SMA is a technical indicator that can help to predict whether there is bull or bear trend. For the single SMA 15 days, there are a few signals in the graph that lead to either sell or buy signals during the period of analysis. So there is 3 sell signal, which is the closing price is closing below the moving average, and there are also 3 buy signal as the closing price is closing above the moving average. So for the single SMA 100 days, there are 3 signals which are mean buy or sell signals. So there are 2 sell signals as we can see because of the price drop through the moving average that will alert a trader to sell an asset. And next, there is also a buy signal as the closing price is closing above the moving average that will alert a trader for entering a purchase order for an investment. So in double SMA, it has crossover rules, which is death cross and golden cross. So the death cross is a technical chart pattern that shows great selling potential. The death cross occurs when a stock short-term moving average crosses below its long-term moving average. So the death cross has occurred 2 times during July 2020 until June 2021. And next, the golden cross is chart pattern that is a bullish signal where the short-term moving average move above the long-term moving average. So the golden cross occur in the market when a short-term moving average 50-day of an asset rises above a long-term moving average, which is 100 days. So the golden cross has occurred once during the periods of analysis. That's all. Thank you.
So under the technical indicators, based on the MACD, ROC and RSI, there was a clear bullish trend reversal in early November 2020 until the mid of December 2020, when all 3 indicators signaled that stocks started to move in a bearish momentum as the MCO implemented had tighter restrictions and factories had to limit their operations due to prevention of rising in COVID-19 cases. We can see that the trend continued to move in a downtrend until in February when it touched the overbought line and reversed into a bearish momentum. However, the RSI signaled the first sell on the 14th of June, ROC signal was 2 days after the RSI, and MACD did not show any clear sell signals in the month of June 2021.
Okay, from now on, I will continue with stochastic oscillators. Okay, in general, stochastic is a technical momentum indicator that compares the closing price of an asset to its price range over a specific time period. Based on Petronm technical chart, there are several times where oversold readings recorded. Unfortunately, around July 2020, this buy signal was ignored because there was a bigger downtrend. This is the time when the traders follow the buy signal in November 2020 as Malaysia at that time is almost recovered from COVID-19. There are also overbought readings around December 2020, but this sell signals was ignored as at that time traders would still buy because bigger uptrend is showing. This happened also because of Malaysia was almost recovered from pandemic COVID-19. Next, I will move on to William R indicator. Basically, this indicator compares a stock close to the high-low range over a certain period of time, and usually it will be 14 days. Okay, Petronm technical chart recorded that there were overbought readings and oversold readings. These signals, buy and sell signals, hitting routinely. All I can say that this overbought does not always imply bearish, and oversold does not always imply bullish.
In conclusion, on the last day of our training, 24 June 2021, we would recommend investors to hold the Petronm stock. As a result of the pandemic, COVID-19 cases are increasing, which effect in less demand for Petronm Malaysia refining and marketing Berhad. Last year, the price of Petronm stock dropped sharply until November because the government ordered a total lockdown and some sectors had to be closed down temporarily. However, in December, the price of Petronm slowly rise due to increase in demand and reduction of daily COVID-19 cases. So this year we are expecting Petronm stock to rise just like last year as history usually repeat itself. After analyzing our technical indicators, the Petronm stock is moving with normal trending range and there are no confirmation sign of possible trend reversal as of now. And also all the indicators show no major buy or sell signal in the stock for the time being. And we believe that once the economy have improved, there will be a possibility for the stock price to rise again. This reinforces that investors should hold the Petronm stock. That's all from us for company analysis presentation. Thank you.